Okay, number.
Alright, number 1.
Is there a steal?
You only have 1 steal.
Only one steal?
Only 1 steal. Number 1. Who has the number 1?
Really?
Well, you're the number 1. Alright, Auntie has the number 1. Come on, guys.
I'm gonna get the big box.
No, it's already numbered.
Oh, really?
Yep.
It's already numbered?
Yep, already numbered.
So you get to pick the number?
Yeah, get the number on it.
So we made a number. So I'm supposed to pick the number.
Steal. You can steal again. We can do it twice. How's that?
This one? This is mine. What's this?
Oh, who wants one?
You can
It's a waffle.
some
Waffle maker.
something on the base.
Alright.
Is this
It's
a
a
real
waffle
waffle
maker.
waffle maker?
Alright.
Oh, you can have this.
Number 2. Who wants number 2?
Here, leave your
I
own
can
load.
steal one, right?
Someone goes it up.
You can't steal, Auntie. You're done.
Yeah, just the last steal. Ooh, I like that.
That's the number 1 steal.
Oh, hey. I'm
That's the number 1. The 1 can't steal.
Yes.
The
Did she
1's just
also-
out of pro. No, the number 1 is
She's
just
the
out
last one to steal.
Yes.
of. No, it's 16.
Oh, yes.
17.
Yes.
37.
17.
TJ. It's not fair for her that she can steal.
It's how it goes, though.
Oh,
We've never had the number 1 be.
Oh, we'll just change this time.
just because I'm number one. Because I'm number one.
Alright. That's nice. I
Is
like
that
that.
real?
Is that real?
You open it? You sure? That's a bogus.
Oh, it's real. It's real.
No, it's nothing inside.
It's real. Alright, number 3.
Still this one.
Who's number 3? Oh. Who's number 3?
Number 3.
Oh, you're number 3? Who's number 3? Oh.
Someone got a big box.
That is your gift or something? That's your gift and you are taking it.
Ayan na. Hey, hey.
That's your dress.
Ooh.
Cleaning supply.
Supply.
You can clean our floors.
Alright, who wants to steal then?
Now, I'm going home.
Number 4.
Number 4. 4.
Are you gonna steal or are you going home?
What's number 4?
I'm gonna be the last one to steal. I'm gonna see everybody give first.
Yeah, you changed the ding rules up.
You just don't like me stealing it.
Come on, Jim. Do, wala ka kusog yaw. Wala macho ka. Oh, ayan na naman basura. Mayo na. Oh, number 6?
Number 5.
Number 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5. Oh, babe, you don't want any of those? Are you sure?
Nobody has stolen it.
Keep the bed in.
Okay,
Oh, we didn't get any of them.
yeah, go get 'em. Yeah. Open it up.
Get it. If you want it, you don't have to get the number 5.
If you don't want it, you can take one.
Get the waffle maker.
Open it right in the middle. Ay.
Ay, yeah, Mamma Mia.
Uh-oh.
They put numbers.
I don't know why I put number 4.
Turn over, Bill. Turn over.
Ring around. Wow. Oh, it's very...
It's very cartoony.
Eyes are kids.
It's gonna pop! It's gonna pop!
Alright, crackers!
More crackers!
What is that? Wow, that's a goodie.
Goodie. Alright, number 6.
Who's number 6?
It's right here. What do you mean?
Pinong pa na siya.
May scissors.
Where's the scissors at?
Here.
Wala flash.
Shadow, you know the...
Wait, may photobomb.
Oh, anybody wants to feel? Number 8, number 7. Number 7.
Where is it right now?
You open it at number 7.
Where's that? Mommy.
Oh, where's your number? John.
Mommy, ano na number mo? Sabi ko, what is school? Number 11 ako.
7.
7.
So number 8, that's
I'm
already.
8. It's still 7, right?
You got the 7. Oh, here's the 7.
You don't have to have that one.
Okay, do you want anything of this in
You
here?
can steal or pick anything.
Or you want to open this instead? Yeah.
You don't have to have that one.
You want it, you want it.
You can tell him it's 7. You don't want to.
Is that real? Is that rice cooker or is that rice? It's real. It's
Or rice cooker.
That's good.
Is that real or is that just rice? Ah, it's real. Anybody? Number 9?
8, honey.
Hey, you cannot steal it from me. Right? That's it.
No, twice. So you
Why?
Oh, once? Okay.
Number 8.
We need the rice
I
cooker.
like that.
No, they need the rice cooker. There's a rice cooker.
You can steal it with her if you want.
Let's put it on the
I'll steal it back. Get that 15 baby.
Are you gonna be?
Just know what your number. No, you just gonna spill and then. Oh, honey, 8 is over there.
You don't portable.
There's a number.
Get your number, Tim.
That's why there's a number.
Number is
Just like it's no number.
Do like
We've been
that.
doing this at the number and then you just stop.
You always get to pick whatever game you wanted.
Not too bad now.
Yeah, even one that gets to steal.
I know, we never numbered them.
I
You
did
did it
not.
last year.
You did it last year.
Yes, sir.
No, we did not. We did
Yeah, we numbered it last year.
No,
We numbered it.
we always did.
No, last year.
No, we counted it.
Nilagyan niya ni, ano, ni Periang.
Yeah, that was 10. Open it.
It's candy.
There's something in there. I went down. I think I see it.
Starbucks? How much is that?
Rockstar.
How much is that?
Starbucks.
How much? How
I don't know.
If it's just $2, it's okay. It's yours. No, let me see how much.
It's okay.
It's the maximum amount.
Okay.
Maximum amount is
Number 9.
Yes, let me see it.
Open your gift
You need to
first.
see it. $15.
It's 15.
No, I
No, you have to either steal or open your gift.
You cannot.
Still get the number 9. Get the numbers.
Over there.
You can get the numbers.
Give me a 9.
It's not Starbucks, it's like a...
Let me check first. It's not Starbucks.
It's Boxstar.
It's not Starbucks. It's McDonald's.
16.
Oh,
See, it's McDonald's.
oh, it's a Starbucks. Yeah,
Starbucks, sigurado ko makita ka. Kaya ako sigurado ko
We got 9.
Kasi yan ang nakapanibago. Ano ba siya? Kada-kala ko pa ang ano.
Yeah, she's the 9.
Parang tagla ko.
It's just number 9. Before we realized we had to do a number.
No, we have not get the number 9 yet because you are the number 8. And then since it's number 9,
Somebody got it early, I'm saying.
nobody got it because it's my number. It's, oh, maybe someone. I think.
That's what I'm saying. Before somebody realized it, we had to do it by number.
No, it's been numbered. It's been numbered, hon. I know, but here's the number 9. Just look.
Give me the 7.
Here's the number 9.
See, you guys look. Number 9. That's 6. That's not 6, right?
That's 9. 6 is already done.
That's 16. That's 16. That's 16.
That's 9. Batin nyo ah. Buksin na naman ako.
Oh,
That's good for you ah.
what's that?
Foot warmer.
Oh,
That's good. That's Dr. Show.
are you sure? That's a real sweet warmer? Are you sure? Open it. Open it.
Someone got the Starbucks. Someone got the Starbucks.
Yeah, it's a feet warmer.
Oh, wow.
On number 10.
Just one number.
What, a feet warmer?
You want those?
Yeah, you see that? Get the sweet warmer.
Ah.
That's already 2 for you.
Yeah, that's it. 2 is enough.
2 is enough.
Okay, this one's 2.
James, open the whole box. One day.
Alright, okay. This is the first time I just put it off.
There's your 4 keys.
It's okay. For Kuya Tim, it's okay. Still many times. You don't care.
Still as many times as you want, I don't care.
Just your next
I'm
one.
telling you, you're an out of grip.
Gourmet? What is that? Oh, gourmet.
Alright, gourmet. Gourmet basket.
It's very basket.
Foot warmer again.
What is that? Oh, nice. Only the best. Microwave. It's a microwave. Gourmet gift. Oh, gourmet gift.
Must be a toy microwave.
Gonna be.
You're gonna need the best.
Let me help you.
Yeah, look at you.
Here, put all the trash.
Wow.
There's a Santos trash. The Santos brought all the trash here.
Nice.
Yeah, nice dress.
Oh, there's some in here. Oh,
Oh, wine, wine. Oh,
I like the goodies. Look at the goodies.
Alright.
Just one. Just one.
Oh, I like that one.
Just one. You got all the goodies.
One, 2, 3.
I love the baby bar.
What is that?
Nico.
Oh, I love that.
I told you the Pagayos trash.
Yay.
Pagayos or Santos trash?
Oh, that's good, that's good.
Hey, I told you Santos trash. You want to package you?
Alright, it's
That's
left.
balikbayan box.
Where's the moscato?
There's no mosquito.
Balikbayan box. Come on.
You cannot steal that. This is ours. Don't get
Look at what? The hole?
Yeah!
That's 13,
15.
12.
16, 14, 17,
I didn't. 11.
Wow.
TV! Nandiyan yung TV!
Ano Santos sa...
Uy, tapos na kami! Tapos na yung ginayin namin!
Pag-ayos ka.
Red Cloud Crush yan.
It's so ugly.
Red Cloud Crush na yan.
Let's see!
Oh, Macy's pa yan, oh.
Wow, man.
It's so ugly.
Where's the scissor?
13,
Where's the scissor?
14, 15. Third order.
Oh, this is 17.
Yeah.
I have to open my number.
Where's school? Anybody?
Where's Kuya?
Wow, Macy's! That's from Orlando!
Ba, galing ah. Sosyal.
Manuel pala yan eh!
Mamaya, napakalaan mo. Hindi naman siya nagpa. Hindi naman siya.
Basura.
Manuel Crush.
Manuel pala mo eh! Hindi mo alam, kuya?
Hindi siya nagpapa.
Oh, what's that? Open it! Open it!
Wow.
Stone red. Ooh.
Is it real?
Is it real?
That's real! That's
Kaila,
real for
you
sure!
play this, Kaila, play this one.
Kaila, kami, Kaila!
Are you sure that's real? You need to open it.
It is.
Are you sure?
Alright, who has the
What is that?
12? I mean, yeah. Who has the 12? Number 12.
Number 12!
Who's number 12?
Kuya Ian!
Come on, Kuya. Do you have anything in here that's open that you would like to steal? Would you like
Still that
to?
one right there. Still for your cookie. Plate. Yeah, kuya.
You're
For your cookie plate.
Oh, you can select. You like to steal? Okay, Kuya.
Still Look at that chocolate. Chocolate eh? Ooh.
Wow.
Oh, there's some inside in there. There must be have money.
Gift card.
Or a debit card.
House and lot.
Or a lotto.
$8.
Delicious.
Open it up, kuya!
You can even open it.
You can open it.
There. You see that personal in front of you.
Which is an open it.
How much money you get?
Very nice.
Live on.
Not enough to live on. Not enough to live on. Okay, 13.
Maximum is 15. Yeah, put that in there.
13.
Put that yours, hold that for now.
Oh, 13. Alright. Siguro.
Ano?
13.
Ano yung gusto mong...
Frisco. Frisco.
Gusto ko kaya yung anak mo.
That's yours already. Don't be taking that.
The one right next to it.
Open na lang, daddy. Open na lang.
13. Right here. Small one.
Yeah, ano yan?
Gift card. $50.
Are you sure you don't want the cash that Ian has?
It's okay.
Ate, ha?
Mayroon din siya nga, daddy. Hurry up na.
Pa-suspense pa.
Ano ba meron dyan, te?
Ano?
Hingit-hingit.
Pong yan, pong.
Judo, hurry up na. 9 o'clock na. Your favorite breakfast.
Open up! Open up! Open up!
Go home na. Picture on it.
Yan, pamasahe mo yan.
Pera.
What's in the ramen?
$15.
Bayad ng ano, ng pangalan.
Ayan, siya no, kukunin siya. Siya gonna get it. He loves ramen. Sean, you love ramen.
It's bad for digestion.
How much you got?
50. It's $50.
It's not a lot.
Pwede ako ka-joke mamaya.
I know.
Pang 14. Alright.
It's so ugly.
Let's get that over. Let's get that over.
Wow. Kamatawa sa palakuba.
Hey, Joshua, what's your number?
Oh, nice. Wow.
Okay na, is it real?
It's real.
Open up. Open up.
Joshua,
There's money.
come here.
Why are you afraid of Ate Jules?
What's the rice, sir? What's the rice?
Really?
Are you worried about Starbucks?
Starbucks.
Ito mo, parang adik sa kape.
Okay, you can go home now. That's it.
Oh, it's so hot now.
You can go home now.
That's good. That's good for you.
You hide na.
Tama-tama na yung pag-shampoo.
You're grounded.
Don't do that.
Run now.
50.
Paano ka?
50, mama.
Mama, get that bacon set over there. Get that cooking rack. I'm just teasing. I'm just joking, really.
Because she will get it.
And the socks. Right there. That's $20.
Mama, you know the rice cooker?
We already have the rice cooker. Uy, muna yan.
Oh, ito. Gusto mo to? Oh.
Open it up, Mama.
Open na lang na open.
Open.
O, yan ang basura. Ano na, okay na.
Another rice cooker.
Oh, I like it, mama. That's good. You need that. That's for the cereal. Men plus care. Mama, kailangan mo na
Keep it, Mama. Keep it.
Keep it. That's the t-shirt.
Keep it.
I know, I'll
Thank you.
train you.
Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Oh, I like that.
Oh, 16.
16.
Just why you're 6.
You choose.
You wanna open the gift? Okay.
What is
Open the gift. One minute.
people have? What do people
drama.
have?
That's why you gotta pay attention instead of playing on your phone.
What's wrong with that?
What, you want some money? You know,
Do you want money or do you want to open a gift?
Open a gift.
Well, there's two that gets money. Your Kuya Ian and Kuya... Oh, there. Ted. He gets money. He gets money.
You want some gift card from restaurant?
Yeah, here. Oh,
Yeah.
here.
That's $25.
The money.
It's Red Lobster. You're allergic.
I'm allergic to. It's okay, man.
If you want some, no, you don't steal this. This ours already.
Okay, open.
Open, you never know.
I would rather get the cash.
No, here's the cash. Oh.
But you get it to 10. That's the same
There. Oh, $55. $55 cash.
Just why there?
It's for Joe's crack.
You want that cash?
Mama Jung, no, he has money.
That's not even $50.
No, that's it. This is the one. I already changed it.
You need to count first if you're $50.
Josh, open. Josh, I'm sure that's a good one.
Yeah, just open. Just go ahead, open. That's money. Open.
Oh, this is good. I'll open one.
That thing is gift card too.
I don't think this is 50.
There's a flat screen TV.
There's $100 and I'm gonna keep my wife's butt.
Money there.
Look, there's a phone.
There's
There's a phone.
Cell phone.
That's yours.
What kind of phone is that in there? Right there. Oh, $20.
Wow. Steal. I'm gonna steal that.
Keep it. No more steal. No more steal.
Okay.
Steal or you want to open?
You want 7?
Yeah, I'm gonna steal.
Okay, what's in there?
My money.
For the whole TV again.
Wow! There's more. Ed.
Money.
Wow!
Oh, that's nice. All right.
It's my turn to steal.
Oh,
Yay.
oh, you ka pala number
Yeah,
one.
number one. You can steal.
Oh, you still have?
Yep.
I want some
All
money.
these new rules.
If you steal, it's an exchange gift. That's what it is.
Oh, who's so?
Who you gonna steal? Oh!
Now they get to choose whatever one they get out of there.
Oh, they get. Yeah, they get.
No, that was her first one.
Get Joshua.
That was her first one though.
Then get her. Then get
Actually, that was hers.
You can have your gift card.
Naku, ang again.
Either way, it'll still be in my pocket.
He's gonna give this to you.
He's gonna give me this. Give me this.
And then he's gonna get that.
Okay, and then you get. I got the gift card too.
Basta roaring.
All right.
Bye. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you. We enjoyed it.
Thank you for the shopping and the trash.
Yun natin sa